Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about one of the most basic and important parts of JavaScript, identifiers. Introduction to identifiers. Identifiers are names we use to label things in our code like variable, function, object, etc. They are the basic building blocks of JavaScript code. We use them to store and access value. Good identifiers makes code easier to read and understand. Syntax rules. There are some simple rules when naming identifiers. Identifiers must start with a letter, underscore, or dollar sign. Identifiers can include numbers after the first character, no spaces or special character like @ percentage etc. They are case sensitive like capital value and small value are different. You can't use JavaScript keywords like let function if as identifiers. Reserved keywords. Reserved keywords are special words in JavaScript that have predefined meaning in the language. Because of this, you can't use them as identifiers, names for variable, function, etc. Valid identifiers example in JavaScript. They can contain numbers but not at the beginning. No spaces or special character are allowed. Reserved keywords like var, true, function can't be used as names. Invalid identifiers example in JavaScript. An invalid identifiers break the naming rules and causes a syntax error. Here are some common examples of invalid identifiers and why they are invalid. 123 name. It is invalid because identifiers doesn't start with a digit. User hyphen name. In in JavaScript identifiers hyphen is not allowed. They do not use reserved keywords. Username. They they start with a letter, underscore, or dollar sign, but they do not contain space. Best practices. Use descriptive names for clarity. What is mean descriptive? Using descriptive names for identifiers in JavaScript greatly improves code clarity and maintainability instead of shorts. Follow camel case for variable and function. What is camel case means? The first word is lowercase. Each following word start with an uppercase letter. No spaces or underscore are used. Camel case is a way of writing compound words or phrases where the first word start with a lowercase letter and each subsequent word start with an uppercase letter without spaces or underscore. Avoid overly short or ambiguous names. Camel case naming convention. Camel case is a way of writing compound words or phrases where the first word start with a lowercase letter and each subsequent word start with an uppercase letter without spaces or underscore. Camel case naming convention rules. The first word is lowercase. Each next word start with an uppercase letter. No spaces, hyphen, or underscore are allowed. Used mainly for variable, function, and object properties. Underscore and dollar sign uses. Underscore used for private variable or temporary value. Dollar sign often used in jQuery or a framework specific code. Not restricted but should be used consistently. Avoid excessive use to maintain readability. Summary. In conclusion, JavaScript identifiers are essential building blocks used to name variable, function, object and their properties. Proper naming using identifier helps create readable, maintain and bug-free code when using identifiers. Thank you.